I have been a fortunate kid, a military kid, but that also meant moving every 2 years to a new city, a new school, and a new house. So when I had to finally choose a place that I could call home, I wanted something where my mind and my heart could finally feel at peace.
A place where memories wouldn't have to be packed into boxes again. And that's why I chose Dwarka Expressway, because this is where luxury is truly accelerating in NCR this season. Direct connectivity to IGI Airport through the Dwarka Expressway network, Delhi's second diplomatic enclave in Sector 24 Dwarka, Global City Gurugram, a 100+ acre mixed-use growth hub with direct access from here, and a planned Dwarka golf course by DDA. Right in the middle of it, BPTP Amstoria Vertigreens and Gaia Residences in Sector 102, built around holistic well-being. Not just amenities, but intentional spaces that recharge you. Fitness and recovery zones, senior-friendly walkways, vibrant family spaces, even a dedicated kids learning and development area.
So now let's step inside the 3 BHK Saville.
The layout feels expansive yet efficient. Generous glazing, natural light, and a balcony that truly extends the living space. Practical, well-defined kitchen with dedicated utility. Functional planning over the decorative designs. The master suite is proportioned correctly. Private, spacious, and thoughtfully detailed. Now the fundamentals. Seismic Zone 5 compliant construction, IGBC Platinum pre-certification, 3 Sky Gardens per tower, around 1.7 lakh square feet of landscape greens and amenities, 7 lifts per tower. It's one thing to launch big, but it's another to win industry recognitions at platforms like the Times Reality Awards, the ET Now Swadesh Gems of Delhi NCR Awards, and the Reality Excellence Awards for Design and Innovation.
And when a property is recognized at this level, it has strengthened my confidence that this is the right property to invest in.
The residences here are spacious 2 and 3 BHK homes, starting from 3.53 CR.
And what makes it financially interesting? Pay just 10% now, with the remaining amount structured at the occupation certificate application, backed by the leading banks. So if you're looking for inventory details, a private walkthrough, or layouts, I'm just a message away.